Hi friends, I want to show you how to make clickable buttons on a Canva document that you are going to be using as your home page. And I'm also going to show you how to embed that home page as a live document into Canvas so that you can make edits to it within Canva without having to re-upload anything. So this is my Site Tech Help Desk, and as you can see, there are lots and lots and lots of tutorials that are buried inside of all of these 6 modules. It's kind of overwhelming if you need to find something in there, and so I have sorted everything out by category. Like everything that you need to know about the daily bulletins here, general tech questions is here, Power School stuff is here, but still, from a home page, I'd like you to be able to choose the category you're looking for and go directly to that. And I can show you how to do that, and this concept is going to work on your custom homepage if you make one in Canva, just the same. So this is going to be my homepage for my Site Tech Help Desk, and I have one of these little buttons for each of the 6 modules that exist within the course. I've already hyperlinked these 3 top ones to where they go in the module. For example, if I wanted to go straight to the Power School, I can click this and it's going to take me right down to my Power School. It should have taken me to my Power School. It just took me to modules. That's super fantastic. I'll work that out, but basically it should have taken you down here, and perhaps it did because I don't have anything published. But the way that we do that, the way that we create these, is we have all of this stuff in here that are individual elements. And let me show you what I mean. So for employee resources, I have my title, my subtext, I have this click here for text, a square, and the arrow, and plus this rectangle that's behind all of it. I want to kind of keep all of that together so that if a person's clicking, no matter where they're hovering over all of this information, they can just click, not have to worry about hitting any certain target. So what I'm going to do is over here, I'm going to click and drag to select every single thing that is within this button that will be a button eventually. And all of these things right here, I want to link to my employee resources. So I'm going to come into the 3 dots where all my options are, and I'm going to go to link. This right here is where I can put the link to, I forgot what that's, employee resources right here. So here I can right click, and I think because it's, there we go, right click, and not letting me do it. What in the world? I need this, please. There we go. That took 2. I think it's on the last word. Copy link to highlight. Just so you know, site techs have technical difficulties too. So I'm getting this module's link to this highlight right here. It'll bring you right here to this highlighted word. I'm going to come back over here, and that is the URL that I'm going to paste in there and hit enter. And now you're going to notice all of the text is underlined because it's all become a hyperlink. Well, I don't know if you're like me, but I don't really like the underlined hyperlinks, so I'm going to select all of that text and underlined it. And then I'm going to click and drag to select everything in this group again, and I'm going to group it together. So now this whole entire thing has become a link, and if I click on it, you can see that I have the option to open it up in a new tab. Just out of curiosity, let's see if it hopped down there. Nope, it did not. That has been working for me for my whole entire life. So I think just because I'm recording a video, it's not working. Yeah, so that's fun. But I would just continue to do that for each one of these things. And then how do we embed it? So when we're ready to put this into our pages, we'll come down here to pages, and if it's a brand new course, you won't have any pages, so you can hit add a page and name it home page. And within here, since everything that you want to be included should be on your home page, so like your welcome message, your contact information, your course description, or a link to it, to your syllabus, what have you, should all be on here. Whatever you need to add so that you can be compliant to the consistent Canvas practices should already be on here. But when you're ready, you're going to come over here to share. And what we're looking for, it's right here because I just used it, but you're going to come down here to more and you're going to look for embed. This is already live because I've already done one video, but you'll come in here and the HTML embed code is the one that you want. You'll copy that. You'll come back over here to your pages and go to insert and embed. And in this box, you're going to paste that embed code. And everything that you just did will show up here. And it's live. And what do I mean by live? I mean that, let's say that you have a typo. You spelled something wrong, or a link isn't working, or it goes to the wrong place. You need to change it. Instead of just downloading the file and uploading it as an image or a PDF with clickable links, because it's live, if you made a mistake, you can come over in here and you can click on individual things and you can edit them. And those edits, once they're saved here, you can refresh and they will show up here without you having to change anything in Canvas. Whenever you need to make any kind of edits, you just go back into Canva and make those edits and they will show up automatically here in the live document when you refresh.